Hello friends, so is your car struggling with power, poor fuel economy, or maybe that pesky check engine light? If your scanner shows code P0490, this means there's an issue with the EGR or exhaust gas recirculation control circuit. Ignoring it could lead to engine knocking, reduced mileage, and even failed emissions tests. In this video, I'll explain what P0490 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0490 code stands for Exhaust Gas Recirculation or EGR, Control Circuit High. This means the engine control module, or ECM, has detected an issue where the EGR valve is stuck open, or may be receiving higher than expected voltage. If ignored, this could cause rough idling, misfires, increased emissions, and poor acceleration. So here are some common symptoms to look out for. Check engine light on, rough idling or engine hesitation, loss of power, especially at low RPMs, poor fuel economy, increased emissions, and even potential smog test failure. If you notice these symptoms, fix it before it causes serious engine damage. To diagnose P0490, you'll want to locate these key components. First up, the EGR valve. It's usually mounted on the intake manifold or near the throttle body. Next, the EGR control solenoid or actuator, which is attached to the EGR valve or mounted somewhere in the engine bay. Then there's the EGR position sensor, if it's a separate part. This is connected to the EGR valve to monitor its movement. Don't forget the powertrain control module or PCM or ECM, which is usually mounted on the firewall or near the fuse box. And finally, the wiring harness and connectors, which run between the EGR valve, control solenoid, and ECM. Oh, and here's a tip. Some modern vehicles use an electronically controlled EGR valve, while others use a vacuum-operated EGR system. Okay, so let's talk about some of the most common reasons you might see that P0490 code pop up. First, a faulty EGR valve. Sometimes the valve just gets stuck open, usually because of carbon buildup. Next, a bad EGR control solenoid or actuator. It might not be regulating airflow the way it should. Then, there's the EGR position sensor malfunction. Basically, the sensor could be giving your car's computer the wrong feedback. Another thing to look out for is wiring or connector issues. Damaged wires or even corroded connectors can lead to those high voltage readings. And, finally, a PCM or ECM failure. If the control module itself is faulty, it might be misinterpreting the signals it gets. Alright, so, how do you actually fix that P0490 code? First, use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the code. Next, inspect the EGR valve. Take it out and check if there's any carbon buildup or if it's sticking. Then, test the EGR control solenoid. You can use a multimeter to see if it's working properly. After that, check the EGR position sensor. If the valve moves but the ECM doesn't register it, it's probably time to replace that sensor. Also, inspect all the wiring and connectors. Look for any corrosion, damaged wires, or loose connections. If you've checked everything else and still have the problem, test the ECM or PCM. It might need to be reprogrammed or even replaced. Finally, clear the code and take your car for a test drive. Reset the fault code and see if the issue is actually resolved. So, just to sum things up, the P0490 code is usually caused by a faulty EGR valve, a bad solenoid, or maybe a wiring issue. Fixing it will get your car's power back, help with fuel efficiency, and keep you from running into bigger engine problems down the road. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P02, 42, turbocharger boost, sensor circuit high, and P0243, turbocharger wastegate solenoid circuit malfunction. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.